Hello again everyone, Yate, bienvenidos, and mabuhay. By the time you all get this week's address, our students, parents, and teachers should be wrapping up our first round of student-led parent-teacher conferences. Thank you to all of our staff for making this happen, and thank you to parents for allowing us to continue with this form of communication. I'd like to start off today's talk with just a little information regarding student-led conferences. In a traditional parent-teacher conference, the student is more or less disengaged from the conversation about their progress. Teachers give information to parents, and parents ask questions about progress and behavior. But in student-led conferences, the student takes responsibility for learning and behavior. Students are the focal point of the conferences, and they're given the chance to share their successes, struggles, and goals to open discussions about their learning. We do understand that some parents and even some teachers have difficulty adjusting to this type of conference because the conversation is filled with dialogue created by the student, and it seems like there's less time to ask questions of the teacher. Remember that parents still have the opportunity to engage with their child's teacher during these conferences, and parents can still ask questions about their child's learning and the classroom environment as well as expectations. These conferences only happen a couple of times per year, so we don't want this to be the only time when parents and teachers can interact. In fact, we hope to establish an ongoing dialogue between all teachers and parents that lasts throughout the school year. An email was sent out today regarding Adobe software. Did you know that all CCSD staff, teachers, district employees, and students have access to all Adobe software? Well, you do if you read the email. Also, there'll be a free Adobe workshop for all educators and students thanks to the Public Education Department purchasing Adobe licenses for all staff. This workshop is designed to assist teachers in their classroom and empower students to unlock their creativity using Adobe tools. A specialized instructor will be coming out to all three regions of Shiprock, Newcomb, and Kirtland to share training in Adobe Express and other resources for staff and students to learn. It is highly recommended that all students and staff bring their laptops or tablets to the workshop in order to fully engage in the lecture and take advantage of all the resources that will be provided. This will allow for a more interactive and hands-on learning experience for everyone involved. Dates are included in the link below, along with registration information for an Adobe workshop training near you. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Please don't hesitate to contact our Public Relations Office of One at 505-207-9108 for information about Adobe and details about the upcoming workshops for all students and staff. That's all I have for today. See you next time. Hagone, adios, paalam. Have a great weekend.